Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and today I'll be showcasing my game for Task 3 game design. And at first, the game start UI will be shown, and on the top of the screen there will be the game title, which is middle, and at the center there will be player control for the player to get familiar with. And if I press the start button, the game will start. But at first there will be no objective or instructions given, and the player needs to explore the world. But if I move closer to the NPC, there will be a prompt to press T to talk appear on top of the screen. If I press T, the dialog will be shown on the bottom of the screen, and press enter to continue. During this dialog, the player will be given the first objective. But if the player missed out on the objective during the dialog, they can talk again to the NPC, and it will repeat the same dialog, which is the objective, to find the two spirits to get to the bell. Next, let's go to the spirits. This is the first spirit. The same goes with this spirit. It will repeat the same dialogue after the player completed. After the player talk to the spirit, which says that you found the bell. That means that the player completed the first objective. Okay, next for the second spirit, same goes to the spirits before. It will repeat you found the bell to indicate that the player have completed the objective. And then a bell indicator will be shown on top of the player's head, indicating that the player have completed the first objective, which is to find the bell. And if I press E to interact, as shown in the prompt label, it will go to level 2 and says return to small spirit for clues for the player to get started with the objective. Okay, next let's go to the first spirit, small spirit. If I talk to the spirit, it will show the second objective of the game, which is to go to the glow on the stone. So let's find the stone. As you can see, this stone here is glowing differently from the other stones. And if I get closer to the stone, it will say press E to interact, and a monster will appear. If I press Q to push back the monster as shown in the prompt label, a win UI will appear, indicating that the player has escaped the middle by defeating the monster. That's all for my game. Thank you.